We like to do DIY videos here on Beauty Farm, and this time it's DIY mists. Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty Farm. I'm Jijani and today I'm going to make DIY mists. So the DIY mists I'm going to show you guys today are great for refreshing your face and body. And you can use them throughout the day before and after makeup. I like to use mists to deliver quick moisture to my skin and to refresh my heated skin after wearing mask for a very long time. And overall, I like the whole zen vibe it gives me. In this video, we have prepared two different mists and we chose ingredients known to be super beneficial to the skin. So before we get started, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and check out our other DIY videos. Alright, let's jump in and get started. The first mist is made with cucumbers, lemon juice, and green tea. Cucumbers are packed with vitamins and minerals that soothe irritation and provide hydration to the skin. Lemon has vitamin C, great for brightening, and green tea has anti-inflammatory properties effective for oily skin. The second mist is made with chamomile tea, jojoba oil, and aloe vera gel. Chamomile calms the skin, and jojoba oil helps to reduce redness caused by dryness and helps in skin repair and damage control. And aloe is great for sunburns, acne, and hydrates the skin without being too oily. After making these mists, store them in the fridge and try to use them within 2 days because we are using natural ingredients, and if you store them for a long time, they can create bacteria. So watch out for that. That's it for this video. Try out our little DIY mist and tell us what you think in the comment section down below. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!